Are you getting Roku loading error? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Check your internet connection. If you are stuck on a Roku loading screen or gives a failed to load content message, check your internet connection. You can get such error due to unstable internet. Go to Settings, then select Network, then check Connection. If you see a green check mark, you are connected to the router but the internet might be down. You can check the internet speed on your PC or phone by visiting speedtest.net. If the internet speed is low, you can contact your service provider to fix the issue. Method 2. Restart the router or modem. Next, you can power cycle the router or modem. To do that, unplug the modem or router from the power outlet. Wait at least for a couple of minutes. Then turn on the router or modem and check if this could fix the issue. Method 3. Reboot the Roku. A fresh restart can often fix minor bugs and glitches and fix the connectivity issue. So, restart your Roku device. To do that, go to Roku Settings, then select System, then Power. Select System Restart. Wait till your system restarts and then check if the issue is fixed. Method 4. Reset connection. The next thing you can do is reset the connection. For this, go to Roku Settings from the home screen. Then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Network Connection Reset. Then select Reset Connection. Wait till the process is complete and Roku restarts. Method 5. Update your Roku software. Make sure you are running the latest software version. Go to Settings, then go to System, then select Software Update. Check if there are any new updates available. If there are, follow the on-screen instructions to update the software. Method 6. Update the channel. Next, you can update the channel on which you are getting the error. Press the home button on your Roku remote. Then, press the right directional button. Next, highlight the channel. Then, press the star button on your remote. Next, select Check for updates. Then, wait for the app to update. Finally, press OK. Method 7. Remove and reinstall affected channels. If the issue is with a specific channel, try removing it and then adding it back. Restart your Roku first to ensure the process is successful. Go to the Roku home screen. Use the arrow buttons to find Netflix. Press the Start button on your remote to open the Channel Options menu. Select Remove Channel and confirm the removal. Restart your Roku device to ensure the changes take effect. Now, go to the Roku home screen. Select Streaming Channels from the left side bar. Search for the channel. Select the channel and click Add Channel. If prompted, enter your PIN or confirm the installation. Click OK to confirm. If the channel requires login credentials, you may need to sign back in after reinstalling. If the above steps do not work, perform a factory reset on your Roku device and then reinstall the channel. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Once the device restarts, reinstall the channel as shown and try to watch it, and you should not get the error. Method 8. Perform a factory reset. Try performing a factory reset on the Roku device to clear any cached data or settings that may be causing the issue. To do that, open Settings, then navigate to System. Next, select Advanced System Settings. Select Factory Reset. Enter the number and follow as shown to finish the process. Wait for the device to restart. Method 9. Clear Roku cache and data. From the home screen, press the home button on the remote 5 times. Then press the up arrow button. Now, press the rewind button twice. And then press the fast forward button 2 times. Wait for Roku to restart. Temporary data called cache and cookies can get corrupted and take more space over time, so they cause unexpected issues. This process should clear the cache on Roku TV, and by doing that, you make sure you can prevent additional problems. Method 10. Check HDMI connection. Ensure your Roku is properly connected to your monitor or TV via the HDMI port. Try unplugging the HDMI cable, waiting 30 seconds, then reconnecting it. Method 11. Try a different HDMI port. If you have multiple HDMI ports on your TV or PC set up, try connecting the Roku to a different one. This can help rule out a problem with a specific HDMI input that can be responsible for the loading issue. Method 12. Contact Roku support. If these methods did not resolve the fail to load content error, it may be an issue with the Roku servers or your specific device model. Check the Roku community for any known issues or outages. You can also go to the Roku support page at https:/support.roku.com to check for any alerts or announcements about service issues. And there you have it, the way to fix Roku loading error. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.